Hello everyone, have a blessed day to all. Today we are going to see about PowerPoint 2010 Basics. This PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software that helps you to create dynamic slide presentations that can include animation, audios, images and videos. So in this video, you will learn about 2010 environment including the new backstage views. That's neat of the PowerPoint 2010 and features, slide and steps to open presentation and exploring the environment and working with the environment and steps to open an existing presentation and slide basics. So here PowerPoint 2010, right? This you all know. So every PowerPoint presentation is made up of series of slides. To begin creating the presentation, you will need to know the basics of working with slides. That's you need to know simple tasks such as including a new slide, changing the layout of your slide, arranging the existing slides and changing the slide views and adding notes to the slides. Here comes need for PowerPoint. So here this PowerPoint has all the features you need to make professional looking presentation. When you create PowerPoint presentation, it's made up of series of slides, The slides have the information you want to tell the audience. This information can be a text or pictures or charts, videos and sounds. Before you begin adding information to the slides, you will need to know the basics of working with slides. So in this video, you will learn how to insert new slides, modify your layout and change your presentation view. So this PowerPoint 2010, this Microsoft Office, this version, right? Microsoft Office productivity suite for Microsoft Windows, and so successor of 2010 is 2007 and predecessor is 2013. So features is a very important point. Built-in screen capture tool is available and background removal tool and new smart art templates, backstage view for each access. So next is, see here, this is very important here, right? So slides, this PowerPoint use slides to build a presentation. So to create an attractive presentation, this PowerPoint allow you to add text, bulleted list, images, charts and videos to your slides. You can add as many slides you want to a presentation. You can view or play back your presentation by selecting one of the slides show play option. Let us learn how to navigate and interact with the slides in the PowerPoint windows. So steps, here comes next is how to create a presentation. So here this PowerPoint files are called presentation. When you start a new project in PowerPoint, you need to know to create a new project. When you also know how to open and then yes, you should also know how to open the existing presentation also. So here first see about to create a new blank presentation. So click the file tab. So this is the file tab. You can see the backstage view now, right? So select the new and select blank presentation under available text and themes. It will be highlighted by default. Okay, by clicking the create button, so here, so you can, that's a new blank presentation appear in the PowerPoint window. So to save the time, you can create a presentation from an office.com template, when you can also select under this available template and themes. Yes. So like this is a new presentation is created now. Yes. So next one is exploring. See, this is what it's there. So PowerPoint environment. So this one, right? Yeah. There's a ribbon here. See here. This ribbon and quick access. This is a ribbon. And yeah, this is a ribbon, and this is a scroll bar, right? So the ribbon in the quick access toolbar has commands you need to do the common task in PowerPoint. If you are familiar with PowerPoint 2010, you will find the main difference in the PowerPoint 2010 ribbon, in that such as open and print are now found in the backstage view. You can see the difference. So this is the scroll bar, and next, so here, right, this is the zoom control, and this is slides view, and here this is the slides tab. This one is outline tabs. Yes. So here this is a quick access toolbar. See here, this is save, under, that's undo, and this one is a repeat. So these three are the default commands, and this is the main thing. This is the customize quick access toolbar. So what are the options we can add in this quick access toolbar? So this is the ribbon, right? So this whole thing we will call it as ribbon. This contains commands to perform common task. So this also contains multiple tabs. So with several group, this is one group. So first one, we have 9 tabs. First is a file tab, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review and view. These are the tabs available in ribbon. So next is the scroll bar. See, this is scroll bar. This scroll bar helps to navigate the slide either by clicking or tracking. So under that, this one is the arrows. This one helps to preview the slides or next slides. So this is the zoom control. Here see. So you can see at the right bottom. So click and drag the slider to use the zoom control. Here the percentage is available, that is zoom percentage. Minus like plus symbol will be there. So once you click this minus symbol, the percentage, zoom percentage will get decrease. When we press this plus, the zoom percentage will increase. So here next thing is the slides view. So we have 4 views. First one is the normal view, slide shorter view, the reading view, and this is the slide show view. So this 2 option also very important. This is the slide tabs and this is the outline tab. So here first one is the slide tab, right? This allow to view and work with slides, and also we can add or delete, or we can take the duplicate and we can rearrange the slides, and section can also be added in this slide. So second one is the outline tab. So it displays the text content of all slides and here we can edit directly. Now we'll see the quick revision. First, name the icons. So this is the slides view, right? So first one is the normal view, we know. Second one, slide shorter, reading view, and this is the slideshow. And second question, what is the purpose of the scroll bar? So it helps to navigate the slide by clicking and tracking. So this future of 2010 is very important, third one. So first option is built-in screen capture tool. Second one, background removal tool. A new smart art templates, backstage view for each access. And fourth question, what does the slide contains? The slide may contain text, videos, images, smart art and text. So the quick revision is over. Now working with the this is a PowerPoint 2010 environment. Here's a ribbon. So the ribbon contains many tabs. Each tab have several group of commands. These are the commands. Some tabs like a drawing tool and or the table tool appear only when you are working with certain items like images or tables. Okay. In addition, you can add your own. See, like this also. See here. Yeah. In addition, you can add. Yeah, like this. You can add your own tab that contains your favorite command. So in that favorite command, you can add also. So this is the ribbon. So each tab divided into group like this, small group. So to view more commands, you can click this. See the small arrows available, right? You can click this. Yeah. Next, with to minimize and maximize the ribbon. So here the important thing about the this ribbon is that it makes the PowerPoint environment easy to use. So however, if you find it's taking up too much for your screen space, you can minimize it, right? So here click the arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon to minimize it. To maximize the ribbon, click again the arrow. Okay, arrow again, we can do it. When the ribbon is minimized, you can make it reappear by clicking the tab. However, the ribbon will disappear again when you're not using it. That's the main point. So to add more commands to quick access toolbar, this is also important. So first step is click the drop down arrow to the right of the quick access toolbar. Second step, select the command you want to add from the drop down menu. To choose from one that's more command, select the more option that's available there. So these are the default things. You can select what are the needs you need. So here, so backstage view, right? This backstage view give you various options for saving, opening, printing, sharing your presentation. It's similar to Microsoft Office button menu, that's right. So PowerPoint 2007 and the file menu are easier visible. That's, see here is visible, right? So here this one is similar to Microsoft Office button, you all know. Okay, Microsoft Office menu from PowerPoint 2007 and the file menu from easy, that is earlier version of PowerPoint 2007. So previous version is 2000, sorry, now this is 2010. So the previous version is 2007. However, instead of just a menu, it's full page view, which make it easier to work it. So what you want to do? First click the File tab. Okay, when you choose the option on the left side of the page. To get the back to your document, click any tab on the window. Okay, so you can do it. Yes. So here so many things are available. First one is the, see here, it's a file, right? So like this it will be available in the ribbon. Yeah. So click any tab on the ribbon to go back the document. So exploring the backstage view. So first one you all know, right? So first thing is, so when we click the file, you will get this list. So familiar tasks such as save as, open and close, right, are now found in backstage view. So next one is the info, right? This info contains information on the current presentation. You can also inspect your presentation and edit its permission from this pane. Okay, so next is the after information. Next is, what is it? Recent. Yeah. So here the recent pane allow you to conveniently access recent presentation and file folders. So after the recent, the new. From here you can create a new blank presentation, or you can choose from a large section of templates. Next is print. From the print pane, you can change the print settings and print your presentation. You can also see the preview of how your presentation will look on the page. So after that, save and send, you all know that. The save and send provides option for you to share your presentation and change its file format. In addition, you can create a video, a CD or handouts of your presentation from here. So next one is option. This option here, you can change various PowerPoint options. For example, you can adjust the spelling and grammar checking settings, auto recovery settings and language performance. Yes. So next is the steps to open the existing PowerPoint, right? So you all know how to create a PowerPoint. Now it's time to open an existing PowerPoint. So here, click the File tab. This take you to the backstage view. Select the open and you can open. See, you can select the open. The open dialog box appear. By using that, you can select it. That is, select your desired presentation, then click open. If you have opened the existing presentation recently, it can choose a recent option from the File tab. Insert instead of open to search for your presentation. So this is a shortcut. See here, so recent you can select. So the recent file will appear. You can select the file directly to save your time. So like this, your presentation will open. So the step is you have to click File, then go to Open and select the file from the desired location. So next is slide basics. See here. Yes. This PowerPoint has all the features you need to make a professional looking presentation, right? So here the slides contain like placeholders, this, right, dotted lines, placeholders. This placeholders are area on the slide that are enclosed by dotted borders. See here, dotted borders. This placeholder can contain many different items like text. This is a text, pictures and charts. Some placeholders are the placeholder text which you can replace. They also have small icons for specific commands such as insert image, that's picture, insert charts and insert clip art. Move your mouse over each icon in the placeholder to see the type of content you can insert in it. Okay, and about this slide layout, you can change the slides here like this. See, this is the placeholders, dotted lines. Said no. And